town of St. John is situated along the Bay of Fundy of the Atlantic Ocean. A small East Coast city with a significant industrial complex and beautiful coastline makes this place a haven for afternoon hikes. And it's what I've been doing after the workday is done. There is something luring about where land and sea meet that draws me in, to get out and explore and breathe in the fresh ocean air. Let's see where my adventures take us today. I never know where I may end up when I step out my door. The coastline has lots of marine wildlife, which I might add, be careful not to interfere with them, especially low-flying birds on a mission. There goes some more birds. They have vast nesting grounds out on that island, and I know where they are going. To the reversing falls to fish. But more on that later. There are many marshes and tributaries along the coastline that make up an important part of the ecosystem. In this place you will find a composition of city, industry, and well-preserved natural beauty. For most of my life, I've enjoyed living and working in this small town. But it's my sense of curiosity and adventure that motivates me to get out and enjoy life. By what the historical account tells us. Alright, now I'm standing in water. Why did I do that? I said I wasn't going to get my feet wet. And I forget what I'm doing because I'm occupied with telling you a story. And I'm walking in water as I'm telling the story. Call it what you will, but I know what you're thinking. There's a word for that. Alright. I'm gonna head back over to the 3 towers. That's it for today's after-work adventure. Which I'm trying to do this as much as I can after work because it's the only opportune time that I get to get any physical activity. So maybe I should be running back, I don't know, but just the same, I'm getting out here and walking. It's a great day to be alive. Alright, catch you later. Over here. Okay. Let's follow it down. I'm going to land it. Okay. Here we go. Okay.